Okay, students, a very good morning to all of you. Students, how are you all? Are you all ready to come to school? You know that from Monday you have to come at your school twice a week. So I am very curiously waiting for you all. Okay, I am eagerly waiting for all of my students to meet. Okay, miss you all. Chalo, let's start our today class, students. As you know that in our previous session I introduced you a new blend, right? Which blend? Who will tell me? Hurry up, hurry up. N G. Right? It will give you sound Can you please give me an example? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Okay, I'll write over here so you have to read it. With phonic sound, k, ing, g. King. What is it? King, right? So is there any blend? Yes, ma'am. There is blend in the N. Which blend? It's N, G. Any one of you can give me one more example? Yes, yes. Ma'am, ring. Very good. Tell me the spelling. Ma'am, R, good. R, E, good. Ring, ring, and G. Very good. Yes. Okay. So, students, today what we will do? Today we will do the written practice of this same blend, right? For that, what you all have to open, you have to open your writing skills book, which is there on screen. Okay, so hurry up, go and bring out your writing skills book, which is there on screen. Plus, you all have to carry a sharp pencil and erasers with you. Okay, that's it. I'm waiting for you. Till then, you will be ready with all of the material. Then we will start. So, now I'll open your booklet. You also have to open your one. Okay, so students, you all have to come on page number 2020 from your book. Okay, this is your page number 2020. Have a look on it. It's look like this. I will show you the number. It's your number 2020. Right. So students, this page is divided in two halves, right? The upper half and the lower half. So today I'll introduce you with the upper half where we will learn some new words also, and we will also revise the previous one which we covered in our previous session. Okay, as well as what we will do the written practice of these words. Okay, so before starting this worksheet, what you have to do, you have to fill the topmost column, you have to fill the date on top, right? Come on top. Yes, here you all have to come, write the date on top, also circle the day, whatever the day is today, you all have to circle it. Plus go outside, check the weather today and circle the clip art. Okay, now see the caption. What is the caption? The caption is same. We are doing which words? We are doing the ng words. It will give you sound right? So you have to observe these clip arts, recognize what is it, what we call it, and write the name over here. Some are already done, you just have to trace it, and some you have to write by on, because those words you have covered in the previous session. Fine. Chalo, let's read the information also, else we know what we have to do in this worksheet, but we have to read the information, है ना? So look at the pictures above. So ये जो आपको pictures given है, आपको इसको देखना है ध्यान से. You have to observe it carefully and name them, और उनको name देना है. Whatever the name, जिस भी name से आप उसको बुलाते हो, you have to write it also. Okay, so one by one we will do. If you know the answer, so you just have to raise your hand like this. Okay, even when you come to school, we do revision or the recap of our concepts, also with activities, some oral revision, some mock test. Okay, we do all of these things once you come to school. Chalo, now see this picture very carefully, students. Have you ever seen this picture before? Okay, I will tell you what is it. This is tongs. See, hairs होते हैं ना, आप उस दिस इज अ हेयर अप्लायंस. ठीक है, आप इससे क्या करते हो, अपने हेयर्स को कर्ल करते हो. सो व्हाट वी कॉल इट टोंग्स. अदरवाइज आप टोंग्स, एक और टूल होता है जिसकी हेल्प से आप पिक भी करते हो. किसी भी चीज को अगर आपको पिक करना है तो आप उसको भी पिक कर सकते हो. सो टोंग्स के टू डिफरेंट मीनिंग्स होते हैं. वन इज अ हेयर अप्लायंस, ठीक है, और वन जिससे आप दैट इज अ टूल जिससे आप किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को पिक कर सकते हो, राइट. सो दिस इज नॉन एज टोंग्स, राइट. सो नाउ what you have to do, you have to write it. Already written here, but you also have to trace it and the formation should be correct. So tongs, t. First sound is t. So here what we have to write, t. T. Again you have to read it. Again, tongs. What is the next sound? It's o, right? O sound. O sound come from o. Tongs. Next, sound. So I told you that here the blend will come which? Ng blend, right? So here you have to write N first and then G. Tongs. T-O-N-G. Tongs. Last में what is the sound? It's S. So S sound come from? Yes, it comes from your letter S. So here you have to write S. Okay. Anywhere when you hear the sounds, so what will come? S will come, right? Okay, now see, in this picture, what is there in this picture? There are clothes, but where it is hanging on a loop, right? So here what we have to write? Her anger, hang. So her sound come from H. Firstly we will write H. Her, a sound come from A. Her and g, hang. Her anger. See again, in the last which sound is there? Ng sound. It will give you sound hang. So we will write it in this way. Okay, now see, whenever there is a telephone at your home, है ना, so जब कॉल आती है, so कैसी आवाज आती है? रैंग करता है ना वो. सो वी विल कॉल इट एज र एंग, रैंग, है ना. र, र साउंड कम फ्रॉम आर. र, ए साउंड कम फ्रॉम ए. र एंग, rang, ang. Again, which blend come here? It is your ng blend. N G. Wait. Now we will write it again. N G. Rang. It's rang. Okay. Now we will come to the next one. So what is this? This is b anger bang. B anger bang. Explosion को आप क्या बोलते हो? Bang. B anger bang. B and g, bang. Now you will come on top. If you will write it already, so you have to come on top. Yes, over here we will come. Now see this picture, students. What is given in this picture? This is a ring, ring. So सबसे पहले what is the sound? It's r sound. So it will come from R. R, E. Again, I, R, ing. Again, in the end, which sound is coming? NG. So, ing. N. Firstly, we will write N and then we will write G. Okay? Write it in between blue lines and follow the same pattern the way it is given over here. Okay? Now, what is this? This is a. You have to tell me. I don't tell you. You know what is it? Swing. Yes, very good. So what we will write here? Sw. So sound is coming first. So firstly we will write S. Next, what is the next sound? Again you have to speak. Swing. W sound. So here W sound comes from W. So you have to write W over here. S W. Sw. Ing. So ing sound comes from I. See, okay, one more thing I want to tell you. When you say ring, ing sound come from I and G. I and G. So here also sw ing. So यहाँ पे भी आप क्या write down करोगे? I N G. Okay, wherever you hear the sound ing, so वहां पे आपको क्या लिखना है? ing लगा देना. ठीक है? Like I'm giving you an instance like sleeping. So sleep लिखने के बाद ing जब आप लगाओगे, so you have to write ing. Okay, that is a trick. Okay, the next one is, this is string. What is it? String. So again there are ing sound in the end. So firstly we will write the previous sound sir. स्प्रिंग. एस सबसे पहले आप लाओगे, लिखोगे, सॉरी, एस स ट साउंड कम फ्रॉम टी. एस टी. स्ट्रिंग. स ट. अगेन द नेक्स्ट साउंड इज आर. स्प्रिंग. र साउंड. आर. Spring. Ing. See, now it's ing sound. So what we have to write? We have to write ing. Okay, that's so simple. ing. So this one is done. Now, yes, over here you will see what is this. This is wing. W sound come from W. Very good. W. Firstly write W. W. Okay, but now I'm waiting. You have to write first what comes over here. Wing. This next sound is ing. So what you have to write here? Ma'am, ing. Very good. So write over here. I N. Wait. ING. Ing. Inger. Wing. The next one is, come on top. Yes, you did it earlier. Yes, ma'am. Okay, tell me what we call it. Ma'am, this is a spring. Yes, very good. So, first sound is so. So, come from your S, your letter S. So, so, spring. P sound come from which? Ma'am, P. Okay, so here we will write P. So, P. The next sound is, ma'am, ring. Super ring. So here you will write the spelling of ring. SPRING. spring. Okay, when you put sp in the beginning, so it will come spring, है ना. ring के आगे अगर आप sp लगा दोगे तो वो क्या बन जाएगा, spring, right? So who is he? Who will tell me? Ma'am, king. Yes. So k sound come from k, k, ing. Again, what you have to write, ma'am? I, good. I. That is a mistake. So we will have to erase it. Yeah. K, ing. I, n, k, I, n, g. King. King, right? Okay, the next one is what we call this, sling. What is it? Sling. So firstly write sir. So sound come from s. Sir, ling, l, ing, I, n, g. Sling. Sir, ling. It's sling. Okay, now what we will do? We will do the next one. What is the next? Okay, now let's see the next one. So it's Sir Inga sing. This is already written. You just have to trace it. The girls are singing, right? So what we have to write here? Sir Inga sing. Sing means gana gana. I know you already know that. So students, I'm giving you some time to complete this, okay? And you all have to read it loudly, right? आपने write down करते हुए तो इसको बोल बोल के करना ही है. Plus afterwards you also have to revise it in evening and send me the recording for that. Okay, whenever you do revision of these words, you have to send me the recording. Okay. So that's it for your English class today. And in creative, you all have to continue with the activity which I shared yesterday. Okay, जो आपसे मैम ने activity share करी थी about the season, you have to complete it by today. So there is no creative for today. आपने activity को ही continue करना, उसको complete करना आज and send it the videos. Okay, that's it. Have a good day. God bless you all, and we will meet in school. Bye bye.